dakat pang birthday dahatang kaya ka. God bless.
At saka, swelo tamo, pasalamat kayong nga pong ginong, giras tama kayo na itad. Maswelo kami para kaya ka. Happy birthday!
God bless. Happy birthday. Kumusta ako,
May God
Uncle?
bless you always.
Happy birthday at ingat si kong magana ka. Sana rugo, dasan ming edad, dadisan mo ngayon. Stay always strong, healthy. Kaya mo panak paano yan, paano nga pantang kakapagad dyan. Hindi kita mo, puros tangan masikan katawan. Hope you enjoy your birthday. I love you. Happy birthday. Kamusta na mo, karenge ka na ng anak yan.
Hello? Hello there? Che? Oh. Let me greet you a happy 80th birthday. I hope at you kami ken para i-join me celebration mo. Imagine 80, alive and kicking ka pa. Sana kami makanyan mo naman. Dasan mi naman yung edad mo ne. At least masaya. Pero anyway, masaya na ka man. At least abe mo nga ring loved ones mo ken. Yung family. So, I'm here to greet you. Happy 80th birthday. And many more happiest to come. So, sana magbakasyon na ko na naman this year para mikiti-kita na naman niya ito. Kabayang bagya para malambot. Tan 2 weeks bitin niya. Ne? O sige, Chi. Again, happy 80th birthday. Love you. Mama. Mama. Chi, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Hi, good morning. Kini king Pilipinas at good day kay kayong angken king USA. Kumusta Chi, kumusta kongan? At king orasay ni mag-send kaming video message para i-greeting peka malagong kapatad at peka magana ka. At Chi kong Eli Villanueva. At kayong oras ay ni, gigreet ko at payabot ko in masayang kebaitan. Kayang tabi na ning wish na patuloy na maging healthy ka at maging masaya king kekambie. At we are very grateful and thankful to the Lord na it's maying 80 years, wonderful years. King kekang biye keni king yato. And in kanakong panalangin at wish keng Ginoo diyan nakapang dakal, aldo at banwa na ning kekang biye para ban kanita patuloy na akayabera ka at akayabe mo rin kekang family at maging masaya pa in daratang panahon. On behalf of my family, Minerva, ang porening anak, and apu, we wish you a happy and more happy and healthy birthdays to come. At makanyan mo rin payabot mi, kaya kami pamangumusta, kong peping, karen kaya kang anak, apaw na kanmi, ampong karening apu, na kayabe mo, kiyan king Amerika. Patuloy na pagpala ko ng Ginoo, patuloy na in kayang biyaya, in kayang proteksyon, ang po yung pamaningat na kimbalang metong kaya kayo manatili. At ang tabayanan na kayo, kingaldoldo na ning kaya kayong pamibiyebe. God bless you, and God bless you most especially. Happy birthday! I love you so much. And we love you so much as a whole family. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Tol. Eli.
advance happy birthday ken 20 pa. O yun mag-video kami kumustanda ka ampong tunggal-tunggal kami kanini. Daratan kay pa ibat airport yun natad nila rin anak ng tatay. Daratan kay ba mo naman iba kami Samar, iba kay Tacloban, iba kami kay Lucaril Labuad may magmasyal. O yun daratan kay pa 2 days ago. Yan i-grade na kaking birthday mo sana at syutangan kini bang kanita sana niyabi-abita mo. Ba't naman ingkay ko mo ka pagpreda ka na more pam daratang birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo ken, habi mo rin pamilya. Di kami man makanyan. Ang wish sa milam mo na sana maging okay ka, malawat ka king namang sakit, namang kapanan. At may kitikit ang pasibayo na makanina yung mga sikanta pa. Makanyan man, God bless, ingat lagi. Tsaka, I love you. Itatero ko at suya kitanduyan, matuto dyan, iba kay Pink Clark. So, apin mo nga sabi ko kay Kaputol na sana itang kumaba pa imbi, ne, itamongan. Bangka ni Taro kumatwata na. Makanyan man dugo, okay, happy birthday. May laki nina. Oh, yari na ako, okay ka.
Hello, happy birthday. 80 na ka pala. Mo man itsuring 80 o anak kayo tsura. Ampong, siyempre malago ka pa rin. Blam 79 kam. Bayo nga ganagan ako, musta pa kaya kampong, i-wish da kang happy birthday, sana dinana ka pang madakal biyaya ng Ginoo, more blessings, with good health, ampong, syempre, dakal pang birthday datang. Sana i-enjoy mo kaya bera ring pamilya ken kami okay kami mo keni basta potang may-ari na gang picture lare ng akit mi o kaya nung atin man video we're so okay. English ko mo naman may kitikita pang pasibayo na sana lumot paing kayong bakasyon, bangkan tam yabi-yabi tamo ulit. Happy birthday. Ampong mag-enjoy ka mo ken. Thank you so much. Dakala salamat. Bye-bye.
Hello, tita. Kamusta? Kamusta ako ng Ken? Tita, happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Yung wish ko kaya kasana rugo, lalo ka pang kumababiye. Lagi ka rugong mimingat. Labda ka, tita. Miss na kayo. Ikayo ng Ken. Di nanda ka sana, tita. Bulaklak kalabasa. Kaso tsuka ken, makananda kan dinan. Ken nang muli ka. Palagi da kang dinan gule. Ne, tita. I love you, miss you. Ikayungan. God bless, tita. Ing Alma Moreno na ning Amerika. Kalupang malago. Kalupa ta. Ne, tita. I love you, tita. I love you. I miss you. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy 80th birthday! Sana maging makaba pa hindi at dakal pang birthday yung datang kaya ka. Maging masaya kang lalo. Okay.
On behalf of the Cato Iturralde family, we would like to greet Tita Ellie happiest birthday. May the Lord bless you with longer life and good health. Enjoy your celebration with the rest of the clan. Bye!
Hi, Auntie Ellie. Happy 80th birthday. We wish for you to always have the best of health and to always be strong and all the happiness in this world. Nakapululugod kayo, so sana I enjoy my birthday you today. And may you have more birthdays to come, Auntie. We love you and we'll see you soon. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to one of my favorite aunt. Auntie, you are someone who has this amazing way of making everyone feel loved, welcomed. We are so lucky to have you as our aunt, and I know if buhay pa si Mama, unang-una siya mag-greet sa'yo. May this year bring you good health, big smiles, and all the happiness you so generously give to others. Thank you for being such an incredible aunt and an even more beautiful person. Enjoy every moment of your special day. You deserve all of this. Happy birthday po and God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola Ellie! Happy birthday, Auntie! Hope you enjoy the day. More birthdays to come, and regards sa karang inganaganang atsuken, kariching Jenny and Con Joel and everyone else. Enjoy the day and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Ingat lagi, Ken. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Lola!
Happy birthday at Singele! Kumusta na kayo? Sana maging marakal pang marakaling birthday mo. Yung tutugigawan ta Pilipinas. Okay?
Hello. Hello, Apong Ele. Kumusta na to? Sana yung birthday mo dakal pa na eh. Himingat ko sana ken kumaaytang ako mididina na problema basta pa ni happy. Lalo na at kita kay Las Vegas. Okay mo. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola!
I hope you have an amazing birthday. I hope God gives you many blessings and good health.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola Ellie! We wish you many more birthdays to come, and wishing you a day full of joy and a year full of blessings po.
God bless po! Happy birthday!
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. Kaya ka.
And
God bless. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Auntie! Happy birthday! Bye. At yung community. Nemo, o din estudyante, o. O, yung community kanini, Auntie. Auntie, o. Enjoy your birthday ni Auntie. God bless you more years to come. And I love you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Auntie Ellie. Enjoy your day and God bless.
See you!
Yaku, siyempre, impero ka malugong mo, anak. Ating Jen, naka-co-contra. Naka-Marcelos. Kaya ko ng pagkakataon din samantalang ko na, para sabihan kaya kayo, na maluwa ko na mo rin sabihan, kaya kayo nga doon tang Pepin na super grateful ko. Maging kayong 4 pillars nung makanano ko, maging kayong maragula party ng biya ko. Thank you kayong tama niya sa iyo kanako. At tinorin nyo kung anak yun mo naman talaga. Thank you. Kaluguran da kayong tatang Peping. And siyempre, sama, I love you. Pero siyempre, uling birthday mo, kantada ka pang happy birthday. Saging. Yan, saging yung phone ko. So, siyempre, uling, lahat na maningat siya ko. So, okay mo, kanya naging manang ko. Kaya mga regular siya na yung gagawan mo. Yako mo fly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Enjoy your day. Mwah!
Ini po, hanggang ngayon magobra ko uling pong ikipakakititang bag ng mama katabili. Ma, itabili yun na po. Ali po, happy birthday po, Ma.
Ma, happy birthday! I'm sure masaya kay po ngeni. And dakal pa pong birthday sing i-celebrate tamo. So, I really wish you the best of health. Ingat kayo po lagi. Love you. God bless. Mamwa.
Hi guys, mini vlog lang tayo for today. Video greeting sa aking pinakamamahal na lola. Hello po. Happy birthday, Lola. Message ko po for you is thank you po sa lahat ng mga bagay na binigay niyo sa amin. Thank you for being there. Thank you for sa paggabay niyo po sa amin. Thank you po at lagi kayo nandyan, syempre. Hindi niyo po kami nakakalimutan. Enjoy your day po. Sana pinagpipray ko po lagi na lagi kayong healthy. Ilayo po kayo ni Lord sa sakit, sa kapahamakan. Yan, stay safe. At syempre, most importantly, sana lagi po kayong masaya. At sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung araw na to. Kahit wala ako dyan. Yun lang po. More birthdays to come. More blessings to come. Syempre, lagi lang po kami nandito para sa inyo. Happy birthday po, Lola. Love you. Hirap mag-vlog.